Dude, I am totally doing this right now, man. My little dolphin. It's fancy. Yeah.
Hey, is that watching these?
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's great. There we go. I don't know how long this ride is, so I might run out of video. What? I'm sorry, Alex. There you go. Oh, yeah, there. He's a Nazi, believe it or not. Ah! Hi.
Orgasm.
Hi. She's ignoring me right now. That girl right there is ignoring me.
Watch what happens
Hey.
going.
She's totally ignoring me. I don't know why.
Watch this, watch it.
She's laughing. She laughed.
Alex, you just...
Not anymore!
Stop. She was like looking at the thing and she started laughing like crazy.
The video quality in this thing sucks. I better not lose my little dolphin because he's my best friend. I'm just gonna put him behind my back in a kind way. Oh, no, I'm not video recording this nicely. Oh, I gotta do that right next. Oh, this is totally mine. This is totally going on right now. Oh, there goes my loose chain. Oh! Ah! 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 Ah, it's all good. It's all good. It was only a huge drop. I got breath! I got breath! Oh, there you go.
My spine.
Your spine? That's okay, man. Oh, that's... Oh! Oh!
Now that's a good...
Oh, yeah. Here's the big one. Here's the big one. No. Oh, no. Oh, oh my God. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Oh, my throat hurts now.
This is too fast.
Your cell phone.
This is too fast. I can't breathe. I can't breathe.
Respect me!
Oh! Oh! Oh!
Poo tank. Are you not?
Okay, this is the humongous one. You see that 90-degree drop right there? It's 400 feet in the air.
It's like an hour of foreplay and about 2 minutes of sex.
We waited 2 hours for this one ride.
I'm gonna grab that. I just do. What was that?
Go get on the ride!
Oh, my throat hurts so much.